Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to delete Threads post. So if you want to remove a post you've shared on Threads, you can delete it directly from the app or website. So once deleted, the post is permanently removed from your profile and cannot be recovered. So to start, open the Threads app and sign in. Next, tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. So once you're here, scroll down and find and open the post you want to delete. So once you find it, click the three dots, then go to the bottom and select delete button. Then confirm the action by clicking delete again. So the post will be permanently deleted from your Threads profile. So can you recover a deleted Threads post? So no, once you confirm the deletion, the post is permanently removed and cannot be restored. If you think you may want the content later, consider copying the text or saving any images before deleting it. If you don't want to permanently remove a post, you can archive it instead. So again, just click the three dots right here, then select archive, and that post will be moved to archive. So again, deleting a Threads post is permanent, so be sure you no longer need the content before confirming the action. And that's it. Thank you for watching.